Let's begin with homework exercise number 1 from section 10.3. It says the sum of the measure of the angles of a polygon with n sides is. Okay, now what happens is for a polygon with n sides, there are n minus 2 triangles in the interior, and then each triangle adds up to 180. So the formula is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now again, see, if you have something like a pentagon, you can draw is 5 sides. You can draw 1, 2, 3 triangles. So you see 5 minus 2 gives you the 3 triangles. Each triangle is 180. So no matter whether it's a pentagon or decagon or whatever, it's always going to be the number of sides minus 2 times 180 will give you the number of degrees, because that's the triangles, and each triangle is 180. So the correct answer is n minus 2 times 180. All right, good. Number 2, classify, use the number of sides to name the polygon. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. A 5-sided polygon is called a pentagon. Quadrilateral is 4-sided. Hexagon is 6-sided. Octagon is 8. Triangle, you know, is 3. Pentagon, 5. Heptagon is 7-sided. All right, again, we've got, be careful, count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. 8-sided figure is an octagon. 8 sides is called an octagon. Homework exercise 4, find the perimeter. Now again, the perimeter is the distance around. You add up all 4 sides. For a rectangle, the 2 widths are the same and the 2 lengths are the same. So we would have 2 times the width, 4, plus 2 times the length, which is 5, or you just go 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 times 5 is 10. So the answer is 18, and everything, again, it's just square, not square, it's just linear measures. So it'd be 18 yards because you're just adding up the length of all sides, okay? So the sides, perimeter of a triangle is 2 length plus 2w, or you can just think of adding up all 4 sides. You really don't even need to have the formula, just add up all 4 sides. Okay, so again, the answer is 18, and it is at same units given, of course, yards. Number 5, the perimeter of a square. A square has all 4 sides equal, right? A square has all 4 sides equal, so that means each of these sides must be 50 inches, right? Because a square has all 4 sides equal. So we can just do 50 times 4 to get the total perimeter. Again, we're doing perimeter, we're adding up the sides. So 50 plus itself 4 times, we can just do 50 times 4, which we know is 200, right? So it is 200 inches. Number 6, perimeter equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal, right? So the 3 sides are each equal to 4. So obviously this side is 4, this side is 4 because it's equilateral. So we add up 4 3 times, or 3 times 4. We can do that in our head. Will give us a perimeter of 12 yards. Okay, perimeter of a regular polygon. Polygon happens to be a triangle. Obviously, there are 3 sides. Equilateral means that the regular means equilateral. Regular polygon means that all sides, regular means all sides are equal. So then they're all 5 millimeters, right? And so 3 times 5 would give us a total of 15 millimeters for the total of the length of the three sides. Okay, find the perimeter. Okay, everything's in yards, so we got to just go around the figure. So this side is 21, right? And then we go to this side is another 21. Then we go a 4 plus 4 down, and then 17 across, and 17 down there, and that gives us everything, right? So then we could add it up. 21 plus 21 is 42. 4 plus 4 is 8. 17 plus 17 is 34. 42 plus 8 is 50. 50 plus 34 finally gives us 84, right? When we add up all four sides, and they're all in yards. Now notice, really, these sides here that cut, you could say that you could just go straight across with the 4 and the 17, right? This 17 and this 4, you could just go straight across, and that's going to give us 21, right? They will kind of make it look more equal because they're all 21, but again, so this is 21, this is 21. This 4 and 17 would give us 21, and then this 4 here and 17 vertically would give us another 21 there, right? Those two red give us a 21 there. So notice, you can just go ahead and say what? All four sides are 21, right? And notice 21 times 4 is equal to 84. So we get the same correct answer. So either way you do it, you'll get the same correct answer. Because they're all right angles, so you know the opposite sides are equal because it's a rectangle. So again, 84 yards. Okay, same with this one here. Now actually we have to do a little bit more problem solving. This is 9 and 4, right? So all the way across, 9 plus 4 is 13, right? So it's all the way across 13. This vertically is 8 and 4. So vertically 8 plus 4 there is equal to 12. So this side is 12, right? So notice again, we've got one side is 13, one side is 12. Again, the 9 plus 4 you could just say is 13, or just put 9 plus 4. And then the other one is what? The 4 plus 8, right? 4 plus 8 gives us the 12, right? So again, 13, this is going to be 13, this is going to be 12, right? So 13 plus 12 plus 13 plus 12. Again, you can see it's a rectangle. Two 13s, right? Well, I can just, there's your two 13s are your two lengths. Your two 12s are your two widths. Anyway, 13 plus 12 is 25. Another 13 plus 12 is 25. So when we add them all up, we get 50, right? Or 2 times 13 plus 2 times 12 is 26 plus 24, which is equal to 50. Okay, so it all works out. And the units are given in feet, so it's 50 feet. Find the sum of the measures of an 8-sided polygon. Okay, now remember the first question. The sum of the measures of the angles is always the number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees. 8-sided, of course, n is equal to 8. So we substitute in 8. The correct order of operations is do the subtraction first. 8 minus 2 is 6, and then 6 times 180. And that will give us the sum of the measures of all the interior angles of a 8-sided figure, which is an octagon. Again, the formula is the number of sides minus 2 times 180, because that gives us, it's always 2 less triangles. So again, I know, and you could put in the entire formula. You just got to have in parentheses, right? So you got to put in 8 minus 2, which we know is 6, times 180. We can just put in 180, automatically multiply, and we get 1,080 degrees. All right, let's look at problem number 11, the sum of the measures of a hexagon. A hexagon is a six-sided figure. Okay, so again, same formula. Hexagon has six sides, n minus 2 times 180. So we have 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180, I can do in my head, is 720. So the total degrees is 720 degrees. If you need to, use your calculator to get it. Okay. And we'll go ahead and stop at question number 11 because we're running out of time on this video. Okay, if you have any questions, send me an email at tswierz@hodges.edu, TSWIERSZ, or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.